Welcome to the channel Jamaican Crime. Since the start of 2022, numerous murders have occurred in western Jamaica. Recently these areas were under curfew. The curfews don't seem to have an impact on crime. Criminals seem to do whatever they want, whenever they want. Let's look at the reason why the government of Jamaica imposed the curfews. Prime Minister Andrew Holness this morning, November 14, 2021, announced states of public emergency in 3 western parishes and sections of the corporate area spanning 7 police divisions. The SO became effective at midnight November 14, 2021. Speaking during a virtual press conference to announce the SOs, the Prime Minister said given the increase in murders, the security heads of the Jamaica Defence Force and the Jamaica Constabulary Force recommended the SOs be implemented. They will cover the western parishes of St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover and police divisions in the corporate area, St. Andrew South, Kingston Western, Kingston Central and Kingston Eastern. With the country's current murder rates per 100,000 in excess of the regional average, which is 15%, Prime Minister Holness said, "These increases we consider to be of an extensive scale such that they threaten public safety both in the communities in which we have declared SOs and nationally, but more than that we have declared them states of public emergency, because of the nature and frequency of the violence." The Prime Minister also said, "Every Jamaican would have recognized that the nature and frequency of the violence have evolved to a level of barbarity and a level of savagery. It is almost a competition for cruelty, the worst of the worst. It appears to be designed and properly calculated to drive fear into the citizenry of the country and panic in communities." The Prime Minister underscored emphatically that the government will continue to take action against crime and violence in Jamaica. Also speaking during the press conference, Minister of National Security, Honorable Dr. Horace Ching said, "We are confident that by staying this course, affecting SOs, we will break the back on this scourge of crime and violence in Jamaica. It is the commitment of the government of Jamaica to the people of Jamaica and the residents in the affected communities." In the meantime, in his response to questions from the media, Prime Minister Holness said, "The intention of this government is to preserve lives and increase public order and public safety." Additionally, the Prime Minister noted that the security forces, and by extension the government, has worked to acquire the necessary resources to tackle crime. However, it is now the social issue of the culture of violence to which we must altogether focus our attention.